Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, my name is Vince. Welcome back here to another episode exposing scam apps. Ladies and gentlemen, Knife Amazing has been on my radar for quite a while now, okay? It's an app that promises free PayPal rewards, okay? But the thing is, get ready for it. You need a $200 cash out minimum. So we've been down this road before, guys. Any app that tells you you need $200 to actually earn any type of money is completely fake. It's just one big fix. Everyone, you are not going to get an increased credit card boost. You're not going to get anything from this app, okay? This is, without a joke, the biggest app scam going around. I've never seen an application scam quite like Knife Amazing that it's constantly spitting out PayPal reward dollars to you, right? But in reality, will never, ever pay you out. And before anyone says anything, in the fluke chance that this application pays anyone, I demand to see from the developer, if he's watching me right now, which they do, I've had so many comments from developers of these apps claiming that, people are just negatively reviewing their app for no reason. Okay? No, it's not for no reason, dude. Your app is trash. And you are trash. Seriously. Like, you cannot get away with scamming the public. Do you know how many messages I get on a daily basis, everyone? Do you know what it's like to wake up and see people telling me that their father is sick, their family is starving, and they actually play these apps expecting to get real life money from PayPal? Do you know, these are third world countries, by the way. Obviously, they need money, bro. Like, it just makes me so sick. It's one big lie. They're literally lying rats, these developers, bro. Google needs to wake up and take these developers down. Seriously, they cannot get away with this anymore. I can't stress it enough, everyone. I can't. Like, this is ridiculous, dude. How long can this go for? Like, how long are the average people going to get scammed here on the App Store? I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard of Knife Amazing. Their advertisements were going absolutely everywhere, guys, okay? Their ads were everywhere. But what do you do? Like, what do you do, everyone? These apps are promising, like, they're everywhere. They're promising real life money, real life rewards. You want to get a PayPal credit card, bro? You want to get some reward card, an Amazon gift card? Then play my app. And do you know what happens? All it comes down to, everyone, is that the rewards get less and less as you get deeper into the app itself, or deeper into the threshold of minimum payment, which for Knife Amazing is $200. Now, what I like to do on my videos is show real life people's reviews, okay? So this isn't a joke, everyone. Like, I don't just claim these apps are scams when they're not. I'm not trying to bring down apps. I'm here to actually show you all what a scam these apps really are by, obviously, showing you real life players' reviews. The only thing is, everyone, that this app is new, okay? But it's coming off an app developer that has been proven, literally, to never pay anyone with real life money, okay? So this is something you have to remember. This is an absolute joke. I can show you reviews from his previous games, okay? What you're going to realize, developers, right, they have a gimmick. They usually build off the same application format as their previous ones. So you'll find this app here probably looks a lot like his previous apps. Or it plays a lot like the previous apps, okay? Promising money, promising PayPal rewards, promising Amazon gift cards, promising, a MacBook Pro or a phone, or, just big boosts in finances. That's the gimmick, everyone. That's the scam. And I've covered nearly 100 of these apps on my channel, guys. We're getting closer and closer to 100 apps covered on the channel. Literally, I kid you not. And it's making me ashamed. I actually dread it now. I dread coming on here and playing these apps now after the comments I've been getting by real life people telling me they're actually starving and they did rely on these apps and they're devastated to find out that they're scams, okay? Because what actually also happens as well, people will get all the way to the end of these apps. They'll get the $200. And guess what happens, guys? A new set of requirements will appear. Like, legitimately, a new set of requirements will appear. And it would say, you need to watch 800 ads to get the money. That's right. I kid you not. 800 ads, everyone. It needs to be stopped. This needs to be stopped. I cannot stress it enough. I wish I knew a way to contact Google directly and just link them like an actual, just like a link, literally a link. Link them a link of these scam apps, because I demand to see, and I think Google should demand to see, that they're actually paying people out. Where is the regulation here of these apps? Where's any sort of regulation? Do you know what I mean? At this point, anyone can just say, yeah, man, I'm paying heaps of people. Like in the app ads, you can see people dancing around and having a great laugh, and they're saying they won millions. It's such a dumb concept, dude. It really is. Either way, let's unlock a new knife here. Here we go. What have we got? Get ready. It looks like there is some sort of aspect to unlocking things on this app, which is good. Literally looks like the same knife. Okay, no worries. Sweetie knives. Okay, we unlock a sweetie knife here, everyone. Here we go. Let's see what happens. Yeah, that did alright. That's alright. What's next? Crisp mask knives. Okay, crisp mask knives. What? Is that meant to be Christmas? I don't know. Who knows? These developers are crazy, dude. Let's keep unlocking the crisp mask knives. At least you can change your knives. Can't argue with that, right? Better than nothing. But yeah, either way, I'm just shocked. There's hundreds of opportunities to watch ads on this app, by the way. Pretty much, if you want to unlock the PayPal money, you have to watch an ad. So you can imagine when the PayPal rewards get lower and lower, how many ads are you really going to be watching on this app? That's something you really have to take into consideration here, everyone. Seriously, got to be careful with these type of things, legit. But yeah, I don't know. Look, I'm using a Christmas tree knife right now to try and earn real life money. Isn't that nice? Yeah, I don't know. It just makes me sad. It makes me very sad these apps exist. Now, I'm not claiming the money because I refuse to watch an ad. I can already tell this is a scam. I'm not stupid, everyone. I'm not born yesterday. This is a scam app. Dime a dozen. There's a million of these things, bro. Legit. All the same concepts. Watch these ads, get PayPal money. That's how it works. If any app's making you watch an ad to get real life money, you know that's literally a scam. It's a scam app, bro. Seriously. I'm just hoping someone listens to me out there. A lot of you guys have thanked me so far for helping you all, which I really, really do appreciate you all commenting, subscribing, liking. It all helps me grow, everyone. You have to remember that, okay? Either way, we're doing quite well here. $9 PayPal reward, yeah. I'm sure, dude. $9. Such a joke. It's such a freaking joke. And, you know, you see ads on my videos, everyone, but those ads are helping me become a full-time YouTuber. All we're doing here is helping scammers make scam apps. That's it, dude. That is it. Like, at least I bring you content. These people bring you nothing. They bring you false hope. They're going to earn heaps of money. It's such a joke. It really is. It makes me so mad. As I said, I hope Google gets involved. I really do. I hope Google gets involved, bro. Only time will tell. That's all I can say, guys. Only time will legitimately tell here. I have enough diamonds to get another knife here, apparently. No worries. I'll have to wait till next turn. Okay. Done. Nice. Okay. Should I unlock another one or not? 500. There we go. So let's unlock another knife. Might as well. Got a wine bottle or something. Some sort of champagne bottle, maybe. What is this? What is this knife? I don't know what that is. Let's see what this is, everyone. What is that? Oh, it's a chimney with Santa in it. Okay. Interesting. Seriously, app. Boss. Okay. Nice. Destroyed the boss. Anyway, that's the end of this app, everyone. It's a scam. Stay away from it. Seriously. Don't be fooled. Don't be fooled. You can tell it's a scam a million miles away, bro. Please stay safe. I'll see you all in the next video. Check out my content for more scam app reviews. See you later.